Just want to show you a little something here. Fired up the old 150. I'm going to make maybe 75 gallons. That's fine. Just let it run all day. But you see the middle of the carbon. And then the carbon block right over here. They kind of look, it's still pretty good. Now take that white and match it with this brown thing. No, this is not DI resin. This is my sediment filter, the first filter. As you notice, how brown it is. It didn't look like that. When I started this about 50 gallons ago, you'll see all the little white specks in there. That's what the filter looked like before. But just after 50 gallons, see all the dark. And I dare say by the time I might just run this out, I might make 100 gallons and swap this out, but you see just how high my iron content has gotten in my local water. The iron has gotten so bad, I used to be about 172, could spike to 180. Now I'm at about 233, could go up to 240. It's quite a big difference. And what does that mean? That means if I were to put this water into my DI resin without filtering it, I pre-filter sediment. I just happen to use a carbon block, a GAC carbon, and a carbon block, just because I want as pure water as I can get going into my DI. But this will screw up your membrane. I mean, you got three types of rust that can develop. You know, you got ferrous, ferric. Those are the two killers right there. The ferrous and the ferric. So that's would explain why my RO filter, my large ones, fouled. And imagine this going your DI. Iron is a killer with DI resin. It'll kill it quick because it's a very heavy mineral. And when it exchanges ions, it'll basically, the resin will prefer something bigger than the little tiny ion exchange like calcium, magnesium. Of course, magnesium is big and a killer too, but iron will definitely kill your resin quick. So for those of you that do not use any pre-filters whatsoever with your DI resin, that is one way to help, one, make your resin live longer, and two, it could actually help lower your TDS. So when I first started hooking this up to my DI, I was getting 9 parts per million attached just the pre-filters to my DI. I cut it down to 0, and I was still able to make another 100 more gallons before my DI resin reached 9 to 10. Just another helpful hint from the Uncle Vern. That is all.